area. Please collect all the necessary safety equipment for welding and cutting. To select with the laser pointer, use your index finger and press the trigger button. Then turn to your right to select the
Butt joint is a technique in which two pieces of material are joined by simply placing their ends together without any special shaping. The name butt joint comes from the way the material is joined together. Process requires a welding machine with welding electrodes. Please select the material size and particular specifications for welding.
Congratulations! Your module is complete. Now wait for your results.